Guys, welcome back to Lyon Mack TV. Mack here with another exciting, delightful, and much interesting video here on the channel. So Flavour Masterkraft officially said we should kickstart the week with some beautiful moments of all that happened from the previous weekend. Some of the events he attended. He was at the Fidelity end of the year, 20th. When they marked their 20th celebration, he performed there live, and a lot of other amazing short highlights I'll be bringing to you on this video. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, because you know your comment and your thoughts are very, very much valuable here on the channel. And also, please don't forget to subscribe if you are a new subscriber.
I got my big wise no wiser, yeah. Gotta be wiser, yeah. I gotta be a little clever, yeah. Gotta be clever, yeah. I got my big wise no wiser, yeah. Gotta be wiser, yeah. I gotta be a little sharper, yeah.
I